Me?
Yep.
Okay.
Draw.
Wash. You want to?
No pass. Draw. Stand. Right. Call. Reveal. Discard this.
Mm.
14.
10.
1.
Yeah. Oh.
Damn.
10.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Where? How much?
11.
Fuck, come on. Sit. Yeah, yeah. Draw. Stand. Ride and stride. No counter blast. Sian.
No counter blast too. 0
Shit.
damage 0 to 0. What the hell?
Effect to here. Effect to here. 26. 4k and 4k.
Okay.
No heals, Sian.
No heals.
Power. Great power. Then big.
Count.
No cancel, just show
No cancel. No count.
16 plus 10, 26 plus 8, 34. 25k got.
How much?
25k got 36. 34. 30, yeah. And turn both die. Draw 2.
My turn?
Yep.
Legion.
No Laurel can ready. Oh, cannot burn.
We got cannot burn.
Can. Want to burn what? I just nuke my field.
You nuke your field. Wait.
Nuke them. Oh, this one it's called Duke. This deck should be called Duke Nukem because you nuke your shit.
Okay, +4.
Wait, why? Oh, okay, get. Wakarimasu. Skill of that?
No.
What's the skill of that?
Oh, skill of that no. Counter +1 when exceed 11k.
Oh, no, okay,
things.
must attack, right? How much is that?
Cannot great one.
So far,
24 plus 7.
30 AD.
24 plus 7.
1 crit,
31.
right?
1 crit, yeah. On hit draw burn 1.
But if you don't burn, can draw, right?
Don't burn can draw. Yeah.
Fuck. Karma.
Karma. Crit power. You don't have power here.
Power here.
Shadow's power here. Can you work? I'm not sure. Power here. Counter +1 plus 4k.
Send. Auto, right? Anytime you can.
Yeah, anytime is okay.
Like 16. Must attack, what?
Oh, on hit draw.
Some are 16, right? Must attack, right? Or what?
No, whenever you reach 11k or more.
Sian.
So I by power trigger.
Okay, how much? I'm 16. 10k?
14 plus.
Plus 8.
14 plus 8.
28. 15k.
Okay lah.
1 crit. My
Yeah,
turn.
yeah, go.
Draw. Stand. Oopsies. Strike. Okay, don't throw SP first.
Oh, cannot. I know why cannot. GB on. Oh wait, not GB. Okay, let me carry on. Good. It's not GB on.
Oh, not GB1 sian. Call skill. Hmm, 4 plus 4, not enough.
Don't make this
Effect.
a 15-minute video.
Plus. Don't blame, it's the deck. Don't blame me, it's the deck.
OTT versus good nature.
4K. Oh, that one was horrible. 4K. Call. 26. One hit nothing.
What?
20 Vanguard.
How big?
20 10k.
10.
4k give to here. Like
Chill shy, yeah.
And then this one die. Hey, wait. Sorry, this one the effect give here.
Yeah.
I am so sorry. This one die. This one go one.
Okay.
Then counterburst. Search for itself.
And call?
Nope, just let to hand. Relax, not so pro one. Relax. Okay. Oops.
Actually, call will be worse.
Call will be good. Then I always have feel for big berry. Nothing. Call will be bad.
Pen size huge. Right?
Small.
Shit.
Okay. What the hell is that? So pro.
Okay, I try
What
something.
is this?
GB 1 card plus 1 when attack Vanguard plus 4k to 2 things.
Sian.
Vanguard effect. 4k.
What is the effect of this?
Then this one, card plus 1. 4k. Then this one, card plus 1.
4k.
Yeah, 4k.
What's the effect of this?
I need card plus 2.
Oh! okay, never mind.
Never mind,
Leave
this
that.
one. Plus 4 plus 4.
4k. What's the this?
Card plus 2 when hit, you take 1 damage. You took one Vanguard put in damage zone.
Oh damn!
I don't think I can reach it.
This is. But need how much?
45.
45, 26 plus 8, 34 plus 7. Plus
7.
no, this is 11 already.
Yeah.
11 plus 8, 37 already. 37 plus 4, 41. This way, this 10 first, right?
Yeah.
10.
Vanguard.
Kanzen. Can I flip? No, flip. Okay. Get Kanzen. No!
So dead.
Sian. How much?
Vanguard.
6, 9. How much is 19 ah?
19, yeah.
10k ah?
Yeah.
10 ah?
Go.
Draw, come on. Destiny draw this shit. Strike. Okay. Now the SP come out.
Good.
Oh shit. Do I need it call? Effect give to here. Effect on the blast. Flip. 4k. 26.
Okay.
Still can Kanzen eh.
Okay. Can intercept right, Yan?
Can intercept, just cannot throw from your hand.
Okay.
Oh, crit.
Yeah.
Power.
Okay.
Power. Draw. Don't heal.
No.